Somebody else has to do the pushing.
I'm not doing it. Grandma, you do it.
What kind of face is he making?
I don't know.
Is it hard work?
You want me to push that big thing?
I think you better push that out of there.
No.
You're going to have to reach really deep in
No,
there.
I'm not going to do it.
Okay, we'll just leave it out.
No, you push it out.
No, I'm not pushing.
Push it from the front. Push it from the front.
That's the saw.
Push it in, and then
I can't. That's gross.
push it in.
But...
Now let me give it another saw cut here. I'm going to cut it twice.
That's teamwork.
I think it's probably sound.
Give me a smile, Cole. Give me a smile. You having
See if
fun?
you can push it now.
Oh, but Grandpa,
Okay, go ahead.
I have to.
Yeah. Make sure you push it hard.
I'm trying.
Oh, okay. There's one more piece.
He's safe.
See if we can get it from over here.
I'm trying, but
Maybe we can pull it out.
he's safe.
There.
He just said, for Pete's sake.
That looks like it.
Good job.
You.